big ticket launch here at Mobile World Congress 2018 has to be Samsung's Galaxy S9 and the S9 Plus. What is new? Design-wise, very little. Of course, they are still packing in maximum amount of screen in relatively the same footprint and the real estate. You now get a 5.8-inch and a 6.2-inch displays. Okay, there's everything that you love about the S8 and the S8 Plus that is over here. Design-wise, one big change is, of course, just slightly more sensible now. So the fingerprint sensor placement is right here vertically below the dual lens assembly. This is the S9 Plus that gets dual rear cameras, and the S9 gets a single camera. But the big deal here in terms of engineering is a whole new way of implementing a dual lens camera setup. They have two apertures, so there's f1.5, which is actually the lowest aperture on any smartphone. We've seen f1.7, f1.9 implementation. f1.5 means you're going to get really shallow depth of field, but that also means because of that sharp aperture, a lot more photon data, a lot more low light information is going to be written on the image processing sensor. We are hoping to see some remarkable, unprecedented low light performance, but that of course once we get the phone in our hands. 6th of March is when it's about to be announced in India, and 16th of March is when you can start buying it. As of today, you can pre-book the Samsung Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus. Obviously comes with top-of-the-line hardware, Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 flagship chipset. Just like the Note 8, they've gone slightly conservative on the battery capacity because obviously they don't want things to blow up for it to be an explosive affair. But while this is not a radically different design, they are hoping that the variable aperture, the augmented reality emojis, where basically they animate your face and make GIFs out of it, and basically updated innards and internals are going to make this a compelling one. Prices are already way above $1,000 mark. So let's see what price it launches in India at. But the S9, S9 Plus, purely on the basis of reimagining the camera performance, look like a stellar flagship offering from Samsung.